Today's video is on the Ideal Logic Combi 24, and today's problem is diagnosing the flow turbine and how to do it. If you look closely, it's saying 0 on the status, and what we're going to identify is if the flow turbine's failed. The customer said to us that he was in the shower, having a shower, and suddenly it went cold. He had to get out of the shower, reset the boiler, turn it back on, got in the shower, and he'd done it again. So it's called us out. So we're going to go through some diagnostics. I'm going to show you how we're going to get to the fault. We're going to now run the shower. You turn the shower on, and we'll just observe. It's gone to D, as you can see. The burner lights come on and the boiler's running. Now you might think, oh, it's great, it's working fine, there's no problem. But we're going to just observe and see what happens. You can see the status, it's now on 0. You can hear the shower in the background running. So this is conclusive proof that the flow turbine not detecting the flow of water. So this is how you diagnose the flow turbine. It's not sometimes straight obvious, so you have to observe it just like what we've done. Maybe take 3, 5, could take 6 or 7 minutes. The other thing what we did, we opened some other taps at the same time just to see if it could cope with the flow of water. So these are the type of things you can do to diagnose the faults.